All right, hey everyone, GratuiTous here. In this video, I want to talk to you about my book called Safe Spots. Safe Spots is all about creating amazing drum loops in FL Studio. The book is available in both paperback and ebook on Amazon. And Safe Spots is my own custom curriculum for creating amazing drum loops. You will not hear about Safe Spots anywhere. I have spent many, many years practicing drum loops. So for example, you can see we have all of these different pictures, and this is all about drum loops. All the information I've learned over the years is in this book, okay? So much stuff. Now, Safe Spots teaches you about sound placement, okay? So there's actually two things this book will teach you. First of all, it teaches you about safe spots, which is essentially sound placement. Where are you allowed to actually place your sounds in your drum loop? The next thing that you learn is something called the organic tools. These are free, and they're inside any music program, and they're actually more powerful than a lot of plugins, that you would purchase. And we'll break this down in just a moment, okay? Now, I first want to talk about what do you get when you purchase this Safe Spots book. So first of all, you actually get, the book. The next thing you're going to get is you actually get a starter package, okay? So you get a Safe Spots starter package, and in that package you actually get 4 custom drum loops by me. They're the 4 example drum loops, and you actually get the FL Studio project that you can open up, and I break it down in video as well as in the book. For example, how to use the example drum loops. This is a little pop-up in the FLP, in the FL Studio project, breaking down how to actually use the project. You could see that I'll share one with you, but there is 4. But this is an example drum loop, and to get the best experience, you will want to have the Xclusive-Audio Drum Bundle TRIO sound kit. This is available on my website at GratuiTous.com. There's over 2,300 drum samples in there. This is Safe Spots. It's all about creating amazing drum loops. I think there's over 150 pages. There's so many images in this book, tons and tons of images, and they're very, very in-depth. Here's an example. So here's about panning, and we'll quickly look at the table of contents, okay? So like I said, when it comes to making drum loops, the first thing is understanding sound placement. Where are we allowed to place our sounds? And that's what Safe Spots will teach you, okay? We have step 1, we have step 2 and 4, we also have step 3, and I've written it in this order on purpose because it's the easiest to understand. So once you read the book, you'd understand why I laid it out that way. And again, this applies to dance drum loops, hip hop drum loops. Now the next thing, which is honestly probably almost more powerful than Safe Spots, because first of all, yes, Safe Spots is where you're placing your sounds. Your drums, your claps, your hi-hats, your percussion elements, that's all to do with Safe Spots. But the organic tools is what takes your drum loop to the next level. It takes it to a professional level. And these are actually free tools, okay? So as you can see, I talk about how to access the organic tools. We have velocity, panning, layering, and there's many other types of organic tools. And you might read velocity and panning and think, oh, that's just simple. But if you can actually learn how to use them, I'm telling you, they're like more powerful than expensive plugins. So here's an image I would like to show you from this book, right? We talk about where to place your sounds. We talk about how to count beats. We talk about sound placement. We talk about bars, all that kind of stuff. I kind of break down the basics just to kind of cover that stuff. But there you guys go. So Safe Spots is available in a book. There is also a Safe Spots course, and for the best experience, you will want to get the Xclusive-Audio Drum Bundle TRIO sounds to follow along with this book. If you guys have any questions, you guys feel free to reach me at GratuiTous.com. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much if you purchased the book. I hope it helps you learn how to make amazing drum loops.